Good afternoon, shavers. It's Tim. It's Sunday, 20th, 21st. No, it's the 20th because next Sunday is my birthday. I am lathered, but it's not the lather I'm going to use. This is just my lather to wash my face and leave it on while I'm in the shower lather, and then periodically touch up using my favorite cheap-ass boar brush. Using some Van der Hagen that doesn't get much play from me. Not because it's bad, just because it's in the closet. So let me rinse this off. And for, doing the business today, I used the Bekeley and some of the TOBS Jermyn St shave cream. I'm just going to face lather. Just doing 2 passes. I'm not going to use the word quick or hurry. We all know how that works out. I'll do. Well, for everybody else's videos that looks like enough, so we're going to try it. Let's see what we come up with. Right on, right on. Slant, feather, unknown quantity of shaves. Let's do it. You'll notice I shaved with my shavette for 2 passes yesterday. And you can see that right there I did get myself pretty good. This is another one of those bad ideas that was instantaneously realized as a bad idea. Can't do my chin worth a damn with it, but I can really get my throat close with the shavette, which is nice. It wasn't a lot of irritation yesterday from using it. Like I said, I just went with the grain and across the grain with it. And against in a few places, but it was more or less a just stick with what you think you know, and then finish off with, I finished off with, the hell did I use? Oh, I used my slim, cranked it up to 9. So aside from that, yesterday's shave was pretty damn good. At least by my standards with the shavette. And You guys know I like to make fun of myself and say that I'm bad or dumb, so I think that's saying something. See, what all is going on today? I know it's still a little bit early, but we put up our Christmas tree last night. That one nice. I think it's one of the second or third tree, like actual full-size tree that Kelly and I have had in a good 10 years. And our daughters seem to really enjoy it. Putting decorations on, taking them off, taking them off, taking them off, taking them off, putting one back on, taking 4 more down. She's 2. I want to be, like if she were 12 I'd be really mad about it, but you know, it's just challenging. I'm not going for anything super amazing today, because I'm shaving later than I normally do, and if I don't have anything to shave tomorrow I'll be a little disappointed. Oh, that's what's catching. It's a flap of skin. Way to go, dummy. Shit, I already went that way. Hang on. Having a blonde moment. No offense if you're blonde. I grew up blonde. Something changed when I hit puberty. Well, lots more than my hair color changed, but I think it's best to let those tales untold. Good enough. Hi, golly. We're just going out for dinner today. We're going to go to a Indian buffet just outside of town. I love Indian food. And my wife's slowly coming around to it. Damn. But I think buffet is the best way to show her the richness and diversity available in Indian cuisine, since it's a pretty substantial chunk of land with quite a few people on it that have you know, different ideas and notions on how to cook and how to season. So yeah, well, there's what we got left. Not a crap load, but it's enough for another pass and touch-ups. Just off of face lathering an amount that I didn't think was going to be enough. Alrighty, get this brush dumped. Still haven't figured out which aftershave I want to use. It was either going to be Boots Freshwood or Clubman. I think I'll go with Freshwood. Damn. You gotta be like that. And just now I realized I forgot to use my alum block. Meh. Not worried. Put that back. And balm. Balm, 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 balm. What do I do with it? Oh, there it is. Too many, almost too many aftershaves. Not fully convinced the man could ever have enough aftershave. Just take a light coat of Crabtree and Evelyn Sandalwood. This is the one that makes me wonder if I'm going to stop buying other aftershaves. I like it that much. And finish things off, and go a little Jovan Musk. Who doesn't love the old drugstore stuff? Although it was quite the hit back in my father's heyday. Check the nozzle. Got it. Groovy. Well, that's about all for me. I'm gonna finish cleaning up. Take care. Have a good day. Enjoy your shaves. I should also mention, or I wanted to mention before I go, that I really do like the lather in the shower and let it sit and periodically touch it up pre-shave. It doesn't soften skin for me as well as Noxema, but that's nice because it actually, I think, moisturizes and softens my skin too much. But in terms of beard softening, oh crap. In terms of beard softening, I think it's on par or a little bit better, which actually makes for a better shave since my face isn't quite as pliable. Yeah, I just wanted to tag that on to the end of the video. So take care. See you later.